Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we are going to talk about if your BANG Olufsen H95 headphones are worth its price. Here we have Beoplay H95 Brown, a special edition, something like that, and they are worth in the Polish market something around $1,000. Today we'll check if they are worth it. So, as I can see on the first look, we have here the case, which is some kind of a metal, as you can hear, with a magnetic closing and opening here. But let's just open and check what's inside. Here we do have our headphones itself. I do have bad lighting, so wait a moment. Let me just take them out of the case. Here we do have our headphones. As I can see, this is pure metal too. This is pure metal too. Here we have some eco leather with some material. Eco leather too. It's, as I can see, really nice. I really like them in a moment because we lost one earpad. It's here. Let me take this case for a moment away. And so, as I can see at first look, I think that they are worth it, but we'll jump into the specs in a moment. As you can see, we have magnetic Earpads, which is really new, as I can see in headphones, and it's a very nice feature because you don't have to like pull this really carefully just to remove this earpod and change it to the next one. We can just here, take it. I want to just change it. Yeah, we can just pull this magnetic earpad, and that's very nice feature. And apart from that, here we do have the Bluetooth headphones. So as for the Bluetooth headphones, I don't know if they are worth $1,000. It's very strange. Here we do have two volume sliders, as you can see. As I guess volume sliders. The first one is here and the second one is here. We'll jump into this in a moment, and we can, as you can see, place them like that. So, as for the Bluetooth headphones, we have them dedicated to traveling, so it's very strange to use 1K headphones to traveling. I'd rather use them to some studio things. As for the sound quality, because it's really nice, because it's BANG Olufsen. They do have, as I can see, 30 hours of playtime at maximum in the laboratory settings. And what else? As you can see, we have here Beoplay signatures, so they are high quality. They have high quality sound, as the producer says. And we have here the ANC. I didn't know that they have ANC, actually. They don't look like ones. But if they do have ANC, and if it's very nice, I'd say that they do look like $1,000 headphones. Apart from that, we have here, as I said, pure metal. We have two 40mm titanium speakers with the neodymium magnets here inside it. I don't really know what are we talking about, because I'm just a man who likes headphones, but it sounds very good. So as for the headphones itself, we have here the jack port, we have some LED light, USB Type-C charging port, and here we have the power switch. Here I guess we do have the ANC button, which is very nice, and here we have a lot of microphones. I really like that. Now let's jump to the case, because I know that we have something in the case too, some extras with our headphones. Here we do have our headphones, and here we do have something. I don't know what is this, but let me check. Here we have some paper. Let me read that. Thank you for choosing H95 by BANG OLUFSEN, a celebration of our 95-year-old passion for excellence in sound design and craftsmanship. They do look like some anniversary headphones. I can't say no, but it is only a paper. Let's check what do they have here. Here, as I can see, we do have a cable, 2 cables actually. The one is jack cable with very nice button here. I really like the material of this cable and the looks. It's, as you can see, it fits our headphones itself and the color of them. And here we do have the first cable, and here we do have the USB Type A to Type C cable. As I can see, we have here logo and the same material and finishments. I don't know if they are really worth $1,000 for headphones. $1,000 for headphones. I don't know. I wouldn't say so. But if you're some audiophile and you really like sound and you really want to support Bang & Olufsen company, and you really like the looks, because I can't say that they are not unique. They are very unique and very beautiful, and these headphones are for you, I'd say. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.